welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got another Tryit box. Tryit boxes are something that anyone in the world can sign up to. You just go on the website, I'll link it down below for you guys. You sign up and then they match you to things to try, and it's free. You don't have to pay anything, you don't pay postage or anything. I think this is my second or third box I've had. They don't know that I do YouTube. They don't know who I am. There's no like PR involved or anything. It's just if you match the product, then you can have it. So obviously if it was a box of alcohol and you said you didn't drink, you wouldn't match to that one. And I think they kind of leave it a few months between each one. Like you can't obviously match for every single one over and over and over again. But this came, I didn't know what it was, so I just ripped open the packaging and this was inside. So I haven't opened it. I'm very excited to try it. As I said, I will link it all down below for you guys. But let's have a little look and see what's inside. Oh, it's making a farty noise. Oh, and again. Okay, so it comes like this. And you've got your campaign booklet, which tells you what's inside, and it sort of, they give you like ideas of how you can share your pictures and stuff, and I think you can win things. Yeah, don't forget to share your thoughts. You instantly become eligible for more boxes when you complete the product survey, which you receive a few days after your box. Brand partners rely on your opinions to help them grow. If you fail to complete your feedback, you will no longer be eligible to receive any more Tryit boxes. So you have to do the surveys and stuff, but it's never a big thing. So something in here smells horrible. I don't know what it is. But yeah, so it says, howdy partner, welcome to the Chilled at Home campaign. We hope you're ready to find some new favourites. We put this little booklet together to give you a bit of info on the products inside the box and to show you how you can win and make prizes for just snapping a few pictures. So, let's have a look. Oh, the first thing we've got is beanies, which I can't have because it's coffee and I'm not allowed caffeine. So Ben will have these. They look amazing. All in one flavour coffee with creamer mint chocolate. Oh, that sounds so good. That sounds yummy. So that is the beanies. Let's have a look and see if we can find it in here. I hope not everything is caffeine. I'm going to be gutted. Okay, beanies, 35 calories a cup, suitable for vegetarians, low fat and sugar free. I'll try and put it on the screen, see if I can find out how much they are, but that looks really good. Ben will definitely be interested to try those. If I was allowed caffeine, I would 100% drink these because that is right up my alley. Right, next, I've got a little bottle. Amarula cream and marula fruit. What the hell is that? Oh, it's alcoholic. Oh, that's a little bottle. Amarula, I've never heard of that. Let's have a look. Explore a smoother taste this Easter. Smooth and well-rounded cream liqueur with fresh flavour and nuances of marula fruit. Let's have a little sniff. Oh, it smells like Baileys. It tastes like Baileys. Oh, that's yummy. Oh, that's so good. That would be so nice over ice. I'm totally having that later. Oh my god, that's so nice. Best enjoyed neat or on ice, ideally with a view. Oh, I love it. That is so cool. I'm totally having that later. I'm going to put it in the fridge. Do you put them in the fridge or do you just put them on ice? I might just put it on ice. That's awesome. The only thing I hate about these boxes, I know it's good for the environment, but this bloody wormies, they just make such a mess. Okay. Oh, we've got something else with caffeine that I can't have. Ben will like this though. It's like an energy drink. Caffeine from green coffee, 100% from natural sources, low calories, red berries, clean energy. Is it called Flight? Quite smart packaging. I think that's Flight at the top. Let's have a look. Oh, that liqueur was so nice. Yeah, Flight drink, F-L-Y-T-E. Natural flavours, natural caffeine, no added sugar. So that's interesting. And you can, if you do take your pictures with this one and put them online and like do the hashtags they ask for, you can win £100 of Amazon vouchers plus a month's supply of drinks. The Marula one, you'll win Amazon vouchers and the month's supply of Amarula goodies. Oh, and then it's all Amazon vouchers and beanies coffee. So you literally just win a month's supply of whatever it is plus Amazon vouchers. Okay, next. Freaking tasty popcorn, swinging salsa, weirdo pops, secret tomato salsa seasoning. I think there's another one here as well. Secret sweet and salty seasoning. The girls will like that one. They love sweet and salty popcorn. I like the packaging on these. It's really cool. What does it say about these? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I've just seen there's jerky in there somewhere. Freaking tasty popcorn, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, secret seasoning. No added sugar or salt. I was looking there because it's spelled secret as in S-E-A-R-E-T. S-E-A-C-R-E-T, secret, instead of secret. I'm assuming that's for a reason. Don't know. That's interesting. We'll give those a try. And then the last thing. Oh my god, this looks yummy. Jack Link's meat snacks, beef jerky, sweet and hot. Yeah. I love beef jerky. And I love spicy things. So let's see what it says about this. This sounds awesome. Oh, there's 2 different ones as well. You can get original or sweet and hot. I'm very excited. Select rump beef, cut into thin strips. Seasoned carefully with our special family recipe. And they're dried and smoked in hot air the traditional way. Yummers. 80 calories per serving. Lean beef, high in protein. Let's try them. I guarantee I'm going to open this. And Ben will just eat it all. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells really, really yummy. Is there any spice? Really sweet. There is a tiny bit of heat, but not a lot whatsoever, just a little tiny bit. But that is yummy. I'm going to share that with Ben because he will just demolish that all in one go if I let him. I'm really pleased with that. Other than the 2 things that I can't have, I'm gutted about those, but I think it's a really good box. This thing, I think that's my favourite. That is so nice. I'm so excited to have it. It's such a sunny day today, so I'm going to have this over some ice later on, and I'll let you know anything else that we try down below. But yeah, I will link the Tryit box down below so you guys can sign up for yourselves and have a go. It's completely free. I'm not affiliated with them. They're not affiliated with me. You don't pay for postage. You don't pay for anything. It's just a free box of things to try, and then you have to do your reviews if you want to be eligible for more boxes. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.